So this is of your next remaining part of the reaction. It is very important reaction as far as the university paper is concerned. So the Perkin condensation reaction. So let us start this reaction. This is the organic reaction used to convert the aromatic aldehyde and an anhydride to an alpha beta unsaturated unsaturated carboxylic acid, and using a sodium acetate, then base sodium hydroxide and and acid as well, lastly work up. So the Perkin reaction is organic reaction developed by the Sir William Henry Perkin, and this is used to make to cinnamic acid. So benzaldehyde, that is aromatic aldehyde, and anhydride, that is acetic anhydride, same reaction condition, it will give cinnamic acid. So the reaction mechanism is under the influence of the base of anhydride. It gives the carbanion, and this carbanion is now attack a carbonyl carbon. So carbonyl carbon carbanion is attack on this aldehyde and gives the intermediate compound. That intermediate compound, the abstraction of the proton is takes place from the abstraction of proton is takes place. The active methyl group of this intermediate by the given base and the subsequent elimination of hydroxyl group is unsaturated anhydride. So the product is now hydrolyzed here, and to give alpha beta unsaturated Perkin acid of the Perkin reaction mechanism. These are the lastly some of the reactions which gives the idea about how to identify the ketone and aldehyde. So already we seen what are the reagents we use for the identification. So these are specific reactions that will give the idea about the identification of aldehyde. So it is a qualitative test for the carbonyl compound to identify the aldehyde and ketones. So resin test, already we know about the test is what is that. We know about the reagent, what are they, because we seen in our earlier videos, that is what is resin chip test and reagent and all. So we start with the test, how to identify that. So resin test aldehyde when warm with a concentrated sodium hydroxide solution from a dark colored resin which rise to the surface. So formaldehyde and ketone do not give this reaction, but other is given this reaction. So aldehyde gives, but formaldehyde not. So chip test, when a dilute solution of aldehyde is added to the magneta solution, decolorizes by the sulfur oxide, and the intense red color of the original dye is restored. So the solution is chip based we use for this reaction to identify. So formation of the bisulfate compound, on adding the 1 to 2 ml of the cold saturated solution of sodium bisulfite to the above same volume of the aldehyde and ketone and shaking the crystals bisulfite compound separate out. So this gives specific crystal compound for the identification. So 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone, that is DNP test. In that, DNP solution is prepared by dissolving it in alcohol and then warming, followed by the addition of the 2 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid, addition of 2 to 3 ml of the reagent to 10 ml of the aldehyde and ketone, above 5 to 10 ml of alcohol produces yellow and red color to 4 DNP, which is filtered, and this dry crystals form the alcohol. So this is the specific reaction. Then next is reaction silver mirror. Already we know about silver mirror reagent, so we apply this for the identification test. So ammonium hydroxide is added dropwise to the 10% of the silver nitrate. When a precipitate first form is dissolved, the solution is warm with a little aldehyde solution. A shiny silver mirror is deposited on the inner wall of the test tube. Ketone ketones, however, do not respond for this reaction. Aldehyde gives this reaction. Then sixth reaction is the last reaction, filling solution. Already we discussed about filling solution, and this is test for the identification of this carbonyl compound. So a little dilute solution of the aldehyde is added to the filling solution in test tube. Then it is warm in a water bath and 2 to 3 minutes, and reddish brown precipitate of the cuprous oxide separate out, and it will give ketone does not give this reaction, and aldehyde gives this reaction. So we'll get identification of aldehyde and ketone by this all those reaction. Then last point from this syllabus of unit 3rd, that is structure and the uses of a formaldehyde, and structure of uses of various type of the compound, that is carbonyl compound. In that, first is formaldehydes. So formaldehyde, that is methanol, HCH double bond O simple structure, and it is the first member of the homologous series of aldehyde. Trace of the formaldehyde are produced by the complete combustion of the coal, then wood and sugar, etc. So uses of this formaldehyde. The formaldehyde is placed in a market as a 40% solution under the name of formalin, and used in very much purposes, that is most of the vapor of the formaldehyde produced by the action of the heat on a formalin used as the disinfectant, and this formalin is used to sterilizing the surgical instrument. Formalin is used for the preparing the biological and anatomical specimen, since in a tissue hardening and enzyme. So formalin is used to preserve the some of the tissues, also some of the animals, and we seen in our laboratories. On account of this hardening effect on high protein formalin in the user for the tanning purpose. So formalin is used in the production of plastic, including well done bakelite, which is obtained by the heating of phenol with the formalin. Then formalin is used as the reducing agent for the decolorizing vat dye, and also making the mirror also. Then next compound is a paraldehyde. If we see the structure, so it is cyclic compound. So paraldehyde, it is a cyclic trimer. Here is a cyclic trimer, oxygen, and here is oxygen and cyclic acetaldehyde molecule. Formally, it is a derivative of the 1,3,5-trioxane with a methyl group substituted for a hydrogen atom in each carbon. Uses of this paraldehyde, it is a central nervous system depressant. So used in a central nervous system depressant, as was soon found in effective anticonvulsant, hypnotic sedative. So these are the used on some brain disorders. Then it was including some cough medicines as expectorant. As hypnotic sedative, it is used in some sleep diseases. So it was commonly used in inducing the sleep insufficient from delirium and tremens, but it being placed in other drug regards, it is one of the safety hypnotics. Then structure and uses of next is acetone. Acetone, it is a dimethyl ketone propanone, that is CH3COCH3. It is a first and the best known member of the homologous series of the ketone. Acetone is present in a trace in a normal urine, but in a condition such as a diabetic or starvation, the amount is largely increased. So ketone bodies increase in the blood in that time. So the T product of the decomposition of cellulose and found in a wood and spirit obtain dry distills of wood. The uses of the acetone, it is employed as a solvent in manufacturing the smokeless powder, that is it is also used in celluloid, colloidal paints, and varnishes, remover, etc. And it is an ingredient of the liquid and nail polish. So it is also used as a part of a nail polish ingredient, or it is used to remove the nail polish. So acetone is stored in a solution of acid methylene under the pressure, and it is used a raw material for the production of the iodoform, chloroform, and sulfonyls, and it is possible ingredient of the motor fuel because it has high anti-knock value. Then structure and the uses of the chlorohydrate. So chlorohydrate, it is a geminal diol, that is OH group is that, so diol, which with a formula C2H3Cl3O, and it is colorless solid. Chlorohydrate is used for the short-term treatment of insomnia as a sedative before minor medical or the dental treatment, and it was also formerly used in a veterinary medicine as a general anesthesia for the animals, but it is not considered acceptable for the anesthesia or euthanasia of small animal due to the adverse effects. Euthanasia means painless killing of animals. So it has a limited use of sedative and hypnotic in pharmaceutical drugs. Then structure and the uses of the hexamine. So hexamethylene tetraamine or the methenamine, also known as hexamine or urotropine, is a heterocyclic or organic compound with a formula CH2 6CH4. So this is a cyclic complex compound. It is a production of the powdery or the liquid preparations of the phenolic resins. Phenolic resins molding compound. It is used in treatment of urinary tract infection. It is also used to food additive as a preservative. It is also versatile reagent in organic synthesis. For example, Somerlet reaction converting the benzaldehyde to aldehyde. Then structure and the uses of benzaldehyde next to that. So benzaldehyde C6H5CHO, an organic compound constituting benzene, a ring with a formyl substance. So this is a structure, cyclic compound. So it is aromatic compound. Benzaldehyde is commonly employed to confirm the almond flavor to food, and there are some of the related products and scented product. So it is sometimes used in a cosmetics product also in industry setting. A benzaldehyde is used chiefly as a precursor to other organic compound ranging from the pharmaceutical to plastic additives. The aniline dye, that is malachite green, is prepared from the benzaldehyde and dimethyl aniline. So benzaldehyde is also precursor for the certain acridine dye. Via the aldol condensation, benzaldehyde converts into the derivative cinnamic aldehyde. So it is used in lots of preparation of the chemical compound and dyes and colorants. The synthesis of the melanoic acid start with addition of the hydrocyanidic acid to benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde is used to bee repellent also. Then next is to that vanillin. So we will see the remaining compound in the next video. So thank you for this listening.